Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with Muhammad Faisal Hafiz. Today we are in the Polytechnic Medan campus and we are become volunteer to the group of what's open house. So we help to maintaining the room and cleaning the room. So we are here for really only six member of the TRPL member come here and just tidying the maintaining the chair here and the table. Just need to clean up the floor and then I think I will come to pardon. I don't know what I want to do next. I was waiting for the mentor to help us. So it's too long, so important. And then maybe that's all about this book today. Wait. I want to see what's the email. And there's one friend who in behind me. No, he was calling first with someone, so maybe he's a friend. So okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I can continue my daily vlog today, and in this afternoon and in the noon I go to the Polytechnic ADN campus. Actually it's Saturday and it's holiday, and tomorrow will be there's open house for Polytechnic ADN campus. So I joined the volunteer to help them. Actually I'm not joining it too freely because there is someone who didn't come, so I just got to there because they are need more volunteer, right? Yes, need more volunteers, so I just come and I just go from the Polytechnic Aiden campus in this maybe end of 5 o'clock. Actually, when I arrive in the boarding house, it's there's the rainstorm, and I'm very lucky and fortunate because I arrived on time. So after I arrive in boarding house, the raining is come. So I'm very grateful. And okay, maybe guys, there's maybe this inform you that is also the cut is the electricity is cut. So okay, we'll come again to inside and see the situation. Okay guys, maybe that's all about this daily vlog today. See you in the next one.